Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that'll show you how to create an ebook in Canva. Just before I get into it, there's a link in the description for this video that'll take you to a free trial version of Canva. Okay, so if you want to give this a go, utilize it for yourself and design your ebook, then just click the link down below. So Canva is a template-based system. So usually, sort of the vast majority of the time that you're using it, you'd start with a template that's built into it. You can create sort of blank versions of things as well, but it's not normally a system that you do for that. So for example, for an ebook, you're going to need some typical things like a cover, table of contents, and then just sort of the sections within, maybe an index at the back, a kind of forward maybe. There's a kind of a basic kind of list of things that you might need to do so to create your ebook. Whatever that is, you can search for them in the text search here at the top. So as you can see, if you type in the word book cover, you get a bunch of templates that come up. You can refine those results by clicking these categories at the top, and then the filters on the left hand side will allow you to refine those results. And if I replace that then, for example, with something like table of contents, if you need one of them for your ebook, then you can see that it's just the same there. It offers a whole host of templates, in this case 8,000 of them, which are just contents tables. So there'll be one in there that you like the look of, that kind of resembles what you need, and then click on that, and then that will allow you to customize that template in the Canva editor. Okay, so the vast majority of, you are going to have selected a template which you like the design of and the layout, maybe the font or whatever, and you're going to need to replace the content of it. Okay, so to do so, you can see that all of the content has been placed in text boxes, and to modify that text, to retype it, to delete it or whatever, just double click. Okay, so that'll then select all the text. You can highlight it just like you would in a word processing package and delete it, and then retitle it with whatever you need there. Okay, and you can see that it's literally like Word, where you can kind of modify the text and delete it and change the font size, the color is all up there. You can add some basic effects to your text, and use the elements library on the left hand side if you need any objects or any shapes or frames, or you can again use a text-based search there to look for stuff, and as you can see, it's got a bunch of kind of suggested categories once you click there as well, of things, graphics and stickers, lines and shapes. So it's very easy to pick up, very easy to use, very intuitive, and you just need to spend a little bit of time browsing it, really. It would work the same then for every aspect of your ebook. So browse for template covers. We've got a bunch of videos on the channel that will show you how to do so. And whatever you kind of need, have a look on the channel as well. And that's kind of basically it. So once you're happy with that table of contents, for example, you click the little share button in the top right hand corner and then download that as either a PDF or an image. Okay, so it allows you to choose the format there. PDF is going to be the vast majority of users would need that, and then hit the download button, and that will download the PDF on whatever device that you're using. You'd then amalgamate the PDFs, so kind of combine them. You could do so in Canva. You could re-upload them. So say if you downloaded every page of your ebook as individual images or PDFs, you would then just re-upload them into one master project and put them in order, or whatever you need them for, really. And that concludes the video tutorial. Okay, so don't forget that there's a link in the description down below that'll take you to a free trial version of Canva. You can subscribe to the channel and give us a like if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more, and then leave any comments down below if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any questions. Thank you very much.